Fertilization is a complex biological process that involves the union of a sperm cell and an egg cell, leading to the formation of a fertilized egg or zygote. When a mommy and daddy decide they want a baby, a special event called fertilization takes place. First, the mommy releases a tiny egg from her tummy, and the daddy provides something called sperm. These sperm are like tiny helpers that try to meet the egg. During a magical meeting inside the mommy's tummy, one lucky sperm gets into the egg, and this is called fertilization. Now, they become a team, and this special team is called a zygote. The zygote starts to grow by dividing into more cells and travels down to find a comfy spot in the mommy's tummy. When it finds a cozy place, it sticks there, like planting a seed, and starts growing into a tiny baby. This sticking process is called implantation. As it grows, it gets a special lifeline from the mommy, called the placenta, which gives it food and air to keep growing. And that's how the magic begins, leading to the amazing journey of a baby growing in the mommy's tummy until it's ready to be born. It's like a beautiful adventure of life starting from a tiny meeting of an egg and a sperm. Here's a simplified explanation of how fertilization occurs: ovulation. Fertilization typically occurs during the woman's menstrual cycle when she ovulates. Ovulation is the release of a mature egg ovum from one of the ovaries into the fallopian tube. Sperm journey. Sperm cells are deposited into the vagina through sexual intercourse. They navigate through the cervix and into the uterus. The sperm's ultimate goal is to reach the fallopian tube where the egg awaits. Egg activation. If a sperm successfully penetrates the egg's outer layer, it triggers changes in the egg. The egg becomes impenetrable to other sperm cells, ensuring only one sperm fertilizes it. Fusion of genetic material. The sperm's nucleus, which contains genetic material DNA, fuses with the egg's nucleus. This fusion creates a new cell called a zygote, which now has a complete set of chromosomes. Formation of zygote. The zygote begins to divide rapidly through a process called cleavage. As the zygote continues to divide, it forms a blastocyst. Implantation. The blastocyst travels down the fallopian tube into the uterus. It eventually implants itself into the lining of the uterus, initiating pregnancy. Development. The implanted blastocyst develops into an embryo and later into a fetus. It's important to note that fertilization is a precise and time-sensitive process. Successful fertilization requires the right conditions, including the presence of viable sperm and a receptive egg. If fertilization is successful, it marks the beginning of a remarkable journey leading to the development of a new life.